Welcome to email verification. Learn before you buy. This is important for you to learn how to use this email verification. Even if you don't know what email verification is, in this video you're going to know the importance of using email verification and what it is. This is our email verification. Here you have seen the email I have verified. Total of 99 email I have verified, 71 valid email and 28 invalid email. Folks that don't verify email will go ahead and send message to 99 email addresses thinking they are sending 99 people message. Why they send only 90 or 71 people message? Not only that, this 28 invalid email will take this 71 valid email direct to spam. Doesn't matter any email sender you're using. Once there is a lot email invalid email on your email list, they are going all in spam. So let me take you step by step how to use this email verification. Let me click dashboard. This is how your dashboard is going to look like. From here, you can verify quick by single, but we need to import our thousands of email lists, which go to my listening, click it. When you click my listening and click add list, it's going to ask you to upload only CSV file. Note, our email verification accept only CSV file. You only upload CSV file here. To get this CSV file, let's go export email we're extracting on our email extractor. This is our email extractor. This here is our email extractor. If you export email direct from this email extractor, you don't need any CSV file because it's going to download with CSV file. Do not click this export here. Just on the center of your data after you start email finish if you're using our email extractor. But if you're not using our email extractor, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's take it step by step. All you have to do, just right click on your mouse and the export options will pop up. And now you can export CSV file direct on your computer. So to your computer, and you can just name it CSV. Let me name it CSV data. I have saved it. So I'm going back to my email verification to import it. So like I told you, when you click add list, click upload file. Now this is the today and this is the CSV data I export from my email extractor. Select it and open. And here you see how many email we have here. We have 44 email addresses, but we have duplicate email, 11 duplicate email. Now the system will first delete duplicates and give you accurate email, which is 333. Click refresh this page. When you refresh this page, then it give you the accurate data to verify. Now click verify. As you can see, our email list have automatically start verifying, and you can see how rate this is. 333 email addresses in general, 12 valid already, 6 invalid. So our email verification help you filter bad email addresses to give you accurate email addresses. And give it a moment, it's going to finish. But let me use the one I have verified for an example. This here I have verified. In order to export this 71 valid email, good email addresses that we can send message and hit our message to inbox, we need to download. Click download, and here just select deliverable email only and avoid other folders. Just select only deliverable email 71 and download it. And this is the file here. I have downloaded it, so you can use this file to any email sender and hold on for your response after you send people message. And let's say that you don't have our email extractor that you can get CSV file from our email extractor. In this case, you can use in this case you can go and get convert your notepad to CSV file. There is a file that called file converter. When you type file converter on your browser, hit it, and here you see file converter, free convert here. Just you can open it, but go ahead and find this convert to. So open it. Here, if you have Notepad, you can convert it to CSV file. And to do that, you just have to choose the file by clicking choose file. Yes, this here, this is a TST file. You see, that is Notepad. It's not CSV file. I have to upload it. After you upload this file, you have to choose which file to which file. Then I'm going to type test to CSV, or I can just do CSV, and I see the CSV file here. So I can now click convert. Now you can see here it automatically switched my file to CSV file, which I can just download this file. When you download this file, if anything in this file, you need to delete everything on this file, in case if it's not email addresses. And let's say we need to add email addresses on this lead. Let me open my file again and find any email list. And I have this email list I have here. All I have to do is make sure that I copy all as much as I can. As many I can stop here. I can copy this. I can go back and download this file again. Let me download it back, the CSV file, open it, and delete everything. Make sure you delete everything on this file, and just paste your email addresses. Make sure your email addresses is on new line like this, and at the top, this top header, make sure is email. You type email on top like this. Make sure that there's email here, because if there's not email, it's going to tell you that wrong column. So make sure you add email on the top, and make sure all of them is new line. So what I need to do right now is just to save it. I'm going to save it and go back to my email verification. This here, I think, and now click add new list, choose file. We have to import our email file that we just convert now, and this is it here, CSV file. You can see it here. I just have to open it, and here you see the email addresses that is inside. Click refresh page, and that is it. You can just click verify, and now you're verifying your email. So if you don't understand how I convert this file, just on your browser type this, find this website. This is a convertio.co. When you find it, you can upload your notepad, that is your email addresses inside, and now convert it to CSV file. And when you convert it, open the file you convert and delete everything on the file to import the new list. Make sure you do this, and see you in next video.